Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, your ultimate destination for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated launches of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 650. A bike that blends nostalgia with modern engineering, making it a dream machine for enthusiasts worldwide. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Design and styling. Royal Enfield has always been synonymous with timeless design, and the Classic 650 is no exception. It retains the vintage charm of its smaller sibling, the Classic 350, with elegant curves, a teardrop fuel tank, and chrome accents. However, the 650 brings in a more muscular stance, wider tyres, and an improved riding posture. The dual tone colour schemes and premium finishes give it a distinctive presence on the road, making heads turn wherever it goes. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Classic 650 is the proven 648 cubic centimetre parallel twin engine, the same powerhouse that drives the Interceptor 650 and Continental 650 GT 650. Tuned for a refined and torquey performance, it delivers around 47 horsepower and 52 Newtons of torque, ensuring a smooth and engaging ride. The engine's signature thump remains intact, offering a satisfying rumble that Royal Enfield fans adore. Riding experience. Comfort is key with the Classic 650. The ergonomics are well balanced, with an upright seating position and wide handlebars for effortless manoeuvring. The new suspension setup provides better damping over rough roads, while the dual-channel ABS ensures safe and controlled braking. Whether cruising through city streets or hitting the highways, the Classic 650 promises a relaxed yet confident ride. Tech and features. Staying true to its retro roots, the Classic 650 keeps things simple but effective. It features a semi-digital instrument cluster with an analog speedometer, a tripper navigation pod for turn-by-turn directions, and LED lighting for enhanced visibility. USB charging and Bluetooth connectivity add a modern touch, making it practical for today's riders. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 650 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It brings classic aesthetics and a powerful engine together, offering a delightful riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone stepping into the world of cruisers, this bike is worth considering. What are your thoughts on the Classic 650? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more exciting motorcycle content. Ride safe and stay tuned for our next review.